everyone, I am back with 3 more DIYs. If you love budget decor, make sure you subscribe. Let's get straight into it. We're going to be making these DIYs nice and simple. So you're starting off with a mirror. This is from the wedding aisle, and then you're also going to need these from the garden section. Now I have decided to cut them in half basically to make them shorter. So here's mine, a bit of a mess. But you can leave yours long, you don't have to. But what you want to do is just get some pliers so that you can get these little sticks free, that you can basically have them ready to work with. And this is just going to be really quick. You're going to take your hot glue and adjust them how you like. So, sorry about that. So you can have the sticks long, you can have them short, close together, like this, like all the way. Or you can have them spaced apart, and then you can also have them various lengths if you like. I think I'm going to go with spaced out and various lengths. So you're going to just take your hot glue and stick them on the back. So it's up to you if you'd like to leave off here, or if you want to, you can add some twine, and Poundland do stock this as well. You can just stick it around the edge of the mirror. I've actually been debating about it for so long off camera. I finally decided that I'm going to go with this thinner twine, so that's from Poundland. And then I had this, which I tested. This was just from the works, and then a thicker rope from the works as well, £2 each if you do want those. Decisions. So I'm going to just stick this on there now with some hot glue. So here's the first DIY completed. If you like rustic boho decor, this one's definitely for you, and it's so easy. For the next DIY, you're going to be using one of these cocktail bowls, and we're going to turn it into a really high-end terrarium, and these are super fun to make and they're really easy as well. I'm going to be starting off with some stones on the base layer, but you don't have to do this, and if you do want to, Poundland do sell some. The ones that I'm using are from IKEA though. So these are like the ones that Poundland do. I think they might have a few different colours. Next I'm going to be using some moss, and you can get some from Poundland from the Easter range. They had quite a few in then. But if you can't get any because Easter has passed and you don't have it in your stash, then you can find moss in the park for free. And if you want, you can completely skip all of these steps and just go in with the compost. It's just healthier for the plant to do this. So I'm just going to place some moss inside and cover all of the stones. Now we are ready to add the compost. I absolutely love making terrariums. It's actually what made me start this DIY channel to begin with, and I think it's something that you can do with the kids as well. Just get your hands a little bit dirty. Okay, now we are ready to add in the cactus, which Poundland do at the moment. They've got some succulents in and some cactus, so I've got mine here. I've taken them out of the little brown, what they're called, planters that they're in. Now I'm just going to arrange them. I might have to add a little bit more soil. And if you are using cactus or succulents, I wouldn't recommend using a closed container. You know how you get some terrariums where you've got lids on? They're just going to die. It's too humid for them. Ouch. I'm gonna get prickled a few times. Maybe you should wear some gloves. I prefer using my bare hands with things. I don't know, I feel like gloves get in the way a little bit for me. And then it's up to you if you want to leave off here or if you want to add a little bit more moss so that you cover all of the soil. So I just tried adding a little bit of the ARTEZA moss from Poundland, and I definitely prefer to leave it like this. So I'm going to stop here. I might add a little twine to the top, so we'll see how that looks. So I'm going to take this lighter coloured twine. I'm just going to wrap it around starting from the base. So I've just finished tying the twine around, and now I'm going to add one last thing, which is taking some stickers. These alphabet stickers are from the works, but Poundland do some stamps, so you can do that yourself, stamp it onto some paper. I'm going to write out, or use these stickers to write out, grow, and I think I'm just going to add it here where the soil is. This is how your terrarium is going to look. Doesn't it look so high-end and trendy? Who would know that we use Poundland items? I love adding greenery to my home, and succulents and cacti are just the easiest option. If you thought we are done with these sticks, well, you're wrong. We need them again for the third and final DIY, which is good because I'm trying to save you guys money here by using the same stuff. So you're going to need one of these dishes. And I'm also going to be using some of these candles from the Christmas time. And again, I have cut these so that they are smaller. And all you're going to do is take your hot glue and we're going to stick them on the dish to create a little candle holder. I'm just going to go in with some ARTEZA marker just to colour the top here. And Poundland have similar things like this. They've got some markers in their range. So you want to take your hot glue, take your stick, and then we're just going to stick that on. I'm using 8 in total, so I'm just going to count to see how I need to space that out. Just adding the second one now. So I've counted 6 lines, so I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I add it to the 6, if that makes sense. I'm not sure how many I'm going to use. Candles have got batteries in there as well, which is really good. And then I'll just pop that in and we're done. Here's the final candle holder. I like that it matches the mirror and even the terrarium. I feel like they just all go together really well. I'd really like to know if you have a style preference for your decor, like boho, modern. That's all of the ideas for today. I hope that this has inspired you. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of the projects. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.